Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to open Emirates NBD zero balance account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. What is a zero balance account? A zero balance account, also called account zero from Emirates NBD, lets you open an account without maintaining a minimum balance. Use the account for salary transfers, savings and payments, access debit card, online and mobile banking. This account is perfect for students, new employees, or anyone who doesn't want to maintain a minimum balance. Then, to do what you need to do is simply head over and download the app by heading over to your App Store or the Play Store. Then on the search bar type in ENBDX, then look for an app icon like this and tap on it. Then simply tap on the get button and follow the on-screen prompts to successfully download the app. First, simply tap on Open an Account option. You can simply head over to your browser as well, and then on the login.emirates.nbd.bank.in, once the page loads, simply scroll down and then tap on self-registration. Then fill in your personal details and take a selfie and upload Emirates ID for verification. Submit the application and wait for approval, which is usually instant or within 1 to 2 days. You will receive account details and debit card as well. Then next is by visiting our NBD branch, Emirates NBD branch. The following documents like original Emirates ID, passport, and UAE mobile number. The bank staff you want a zero balance account, then they will help you fill the account opening form, and once approved you'll get the account number, debit card, and online banking access. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.